I'm a catfish, but not a gatekeeper.
So here's how I look like a completely different person in 30 minutes.
Okay, first contacts. I usually rotate between 3 different ones depending on the vibe. Then I put on my foundation. I love the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, followed by the Sem Concealer, which is really good coverage. And I brighten my cheek area by using pink concealer. And I've been gravitating towards this light pink Dior blush. So cute. But sometimes I go for the Rhode Pocket Blush in Freckle. And after blush, I powder the hell out of my face. I'm using Huda Beauty powder, but I usually use the Laura Mercier pink one. My brows are lightened right now, and I use the Espoir pencil in taupe to kind of match the vibe of my lighter hair. But the shade depends on what my hair color is. Then I use this really cutesy YSL blush that I was gifted. I use my brush. I have no idea if it's for blush though. And I rub the excess on the back of my hand because it's pretty pigmented. Look how cute. It's so pink. And I use this YSL bronzer to kind of brush the bottom of my face for a snatching effect. And for eyeshadow, I use my favorite palette. I kind of just do a mix of the colors on my eyes. And using the lightest eyeshadow shade, I highlight my egg yolk side and draw on some taupe. And then I do nose contour, but I'm gonna be so for real, I don't know how to do it. And as I apply glue my falsies and let that get tacky, I curl my lashes and highlight my nose. And then I use a clear mascara on my lashes, literally so my big ass lashes have a base to lay on. And I actually draw my eyeliner after using the direction of where my eyelashes are going, and that lengthens the outer part of my eye. Then I line the inner parts of my eye, and then of course do mascara on the bottom lashes. And using the same palette as before, I get the 2 dark brown shades and put it on my like outer area of my eyes. This is for the smoky vibe. And then I use this blurring lippy and concentrate it on the cupid's bow area, and I rub it out to blur it more. And then I go in with the Crystal Glam tint. It's a more pinky tone, and I follow with this Edam lippy that's more dark, and this is the end result. And to capture the vibe, here's the selfie I took that same night, so you get the feel of the night out vibe, you know?